Hi, I'm Marna, and I have a My Size doll collection. I have the Barbies, I have the Disney princesses, and I just got Cinderella, and I'm looking for clothes for her. And I wanted to talk about the different sizes. For the most part, the Disney princesses can wear the same clothes as the Barbie. Now, here's the surprising factor that a lot of people can't get over. Each of these 5 girls standing here, and some of the other outfits on my other dolls, believe it or not, these are 0 to 6 month old size. Not the jeans, but all the rest of the clothing. And then, while they are 0 to 6 months, I still take safety pins and roll that, because of course, you know, you've got a little fat baby and diapers and everything. And I take all this in to make it fit so that it looks like clothes that a Barbie would wear, not a potato sack. These 2 girls are wearing adult size shirts. This was a size medium that I tailored. I actually have a video where I'm doing that. I think it's called Garage Sales Clothes, Dressing Your Doll for $1 and Less. I have 2 of those. This I bought at Walmart when they were like $1 or 50 cents, and it is a size small. And what I did, or what I do, is I safety pin that. And the reason I safety pin them is because, well, they look better from the front. My dolls stand against the wall, and I can put it on different dolls or, you know, change it up a little bit. The little purse I got on eBay when eBay stuff was still really cheap, and I paid, you know, less than $2 at the time, and they matched Belle's original shoes. Speaking of the original shoes, I don't like them. The dolls have to stand just right to balance in them because of the little bit of heel. They do better in the flat children's jellies, and I buy those in 3s and 4s. Which brings us to shoes and Cinderella. I brought down a pair of Anna's original Disney shoes. They are far too big for this girl. So Anna could not get her foot in the glass slipper. So then I brought down, these are size 3. I think I brought down a 4 also. Yeah, these are 4s. Let's try these. Oh, that might be the size she wears, but I'm betting her heel is really narrow, more narrow than the others. So what I'm going to do is try a 3 I bought. One of my Barbies, the girl in the jean clothes, wears a 3 better than a 4. All right, Cinderella. Let's see. Yep, that 3 is what it's going to take for this doll. One thing I noticed about Cinderella right away, and I thought it was a fact, that her legs are a little longer than the other dolls, even though she's a little bit shorter, which means she has a shorter body. The shirt that she has on, I'm pretty sure it's 0 to 3 months. Yep. But I like them to fit a little tighter. I like for their bodies to, they're fashion dolls. I like it to look like a fashion doll. I only have 1 pin. Let's see what we can do. Something else about Cinderella. I hear women all the time complain about their men. And I always tell them, if you're looking for Prince Charming, you should act like Cinderella. And boy, Cinderella had it rough. She cleaned, she did all the dishes and the cooking, and she sang and whistled the whole time. So this is my new Cinderella doll in her little outfit. As you can see, the 0 to 3 months had to be pinned, but it's just a cute little summer fall outfit. The only thing I don't like about this doll are her man hands. They are just gigantic. The Patty Play Pals were designed to actually wear little girls' clothes. I think, as I remember, they wear like a 3T to a 5T, depending on the outfit. They wear a size, depending on the shoe, a 4 to a 5 in children's. And they're just cute dolls. And I need to get mine cleaned up. That's a whole nother video. She and I played pretty rough, didn't we? Let us know in the comments, how do you dress your My Size dolls? Please leave a like and subscribe, and make sure you are still subscribed. There's a YouTube glitch. Check all of your regular channels that you watch and make sure you are subscribed.